Hey, Amari here. Just wanted to send you this quick video on how you can take your website and get it to rank #1 on Google. I was looking for a lawn care company in Lexington, and I came across your ad on Google on the bottom of the second page of Google at that. So I just wanted to show you how you can save money from not paying for ads and take your website from being the second page to either the top three here in the map pack or the top three on the organic listings. Ideally, you want to be here because when people are looking for services, they're not really doing it on their computers. They're using their cell phones and using the call function here on the side of the business that's listed in the map packet, immediately calling them just so they can, get some really quick results because most people don't want to spend a lot of time on things like this. So they're using their phones, looking at the top three, and then giving them a call to try and get their service. So I want to show you how to take your website, how to use Google's algorithm, use it to your advantage so that your website can rank a lot higher on the Google search results. The first thing you want to do is improve the content on your homepage. You really want to put a lot of content here on your homepage. You really have no content on your homepage, and this is where the ad is taking me. So if this is your homepage, you really want to put a lot of effort into creating some really authoritative content on your first page. If we go to Google and we type in something like cell phone, you see some more ads and more things that come up. But normally, what you'll see is Wikipedia. Wikipedia is always on the first page of Google, if not the top of the Google results, is because Wikipedia is the authority pretty much on cell phone information, history, types, infrastructure, hardware, anything related to cell phones. Um, Wikipedia will have. So they have a lot of content on their homepage for this search result, making them the authority in cell phone information, cell phone related information. So you really want to have on your homepage a lot of authoritative information related to lawn mowing, spring cleaning, snow removal, mulching, anything like that. You really want to have a lot more words because Google comes, looks at your websites, and when it's scanning your website, it scans for how many words it sees on your homepage. And websites that have more words and ideally more keywords relating to the topic that you're trying to become a business in, or the niche you're being a business in, the more likely Google will rank your business. The second thing, and you know what, you guys look like you have a lot of opportunity to flesh out a lot of these topics, especially since you do of a wide range of services. So taking that and fleshing out and creating a lot of authoritative content on your website, is going to be the key thing. The next item I want to touch on is backlinks. So a backlink are websites that are linking to your website. So for example, here, this ad linking to your website is considered a backlink because if you click on the ad, it'll link to your website. So that is considered a backlink. But you want really powerful backlinks. So if you come here and look at your website's Great Lawn Care, it shows you only have two referring domains, but they're not providing any value. So even though there are domains, they're not providing really any value to your websites. So if you look at some of your competitors, you can see some of them have a little bit better metrics with higher citation flows, but some of them are not all that great. Some of them are not very good at all. So, you have a really good opportunity to take your website, get some really strong and really powerful backlinks to get your trust flow up. A link is basically a vote in Google's eyes. And, not all votes are created equal. Yeah, your neighbor might say you're a good landscaper, or the governor of Kentucky will say you're a good landscaper. It's ideally the same vote, but one just has a lot more weight and a lot more power to it. So getting more backlinks, you want to get, 17, 20 backlinks, the more the better, so that you can get your citation flow and trust flow up for your website, because that's what Google wants to see. A website that is getting really good votes from other websites across the internet. The next thing you want to do is get onto the first page of Google. So let's go back. So once you get on the first page of Google, you won't be able to get this map pack until you use Google My Business Listing Service. This is a service that Google creates for businesses so that it makes it easier for people to search your business, search your location, and find your website. And when you have people or clients give you referrals or reviews on this GMB listing, the more reviews you have, the more Google will reward you for it. So you really want to take advantage of this Google My Business listing so you can get your business up here into the top 3, and that'll happen organically once you get your business into this top 5, if anything, just on the first page itself. So you really want to take advantage of this Google My Business listing and get your clients to send you some really powerful reviews through this service. So those are just some quick tips I just wanted to share with you guys. Um, some of your other competitors going back to the content. Some of them are not putting a lot of content on there. So these are some really good low-hanging fruits for you to be able to take advantage of what your competitors are not doing. If you come to, True Green, or actually Epic Lawncare, this is a local Kentucky business. They don't have much content on their homepage, but still, they're outranking you, and it's very easy to be able to beat them out, so more customers and more clients find your business quicker than they would do these guys here. So I can show you just how to beat out Epic Lawn Care and get more clients to come and look at your website. So if you have any questions, just let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer them. You can give me a call. My name is Amari, 646-714-5113. I'd love to show you just how you can beat out these guys and be the more dominant and more powerful website and company to get more clients, in the lawn care niche. Thanks, and I hope this video was pretty helpful.